Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English words, their meanings, and how to use them. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled you're here with me today. The word of the day is assault, a C1 level verb that means to attack physically. This word is often used to describe a situation where someone physically harms or attempts to harm another person. Let's break it down. The verb assault is often associated with acts of aggression, but it can also be used in broader contexts, such as describing a vigorous effort or attack, even metaphorically. For instance, you might hear someone say, "The army planned to assault the enemy base," or, in a less physical sense, "The reporter felt she was being assaulted with difficult questions during the interview." Now, let's talk about some synonyms for assault. Words like attack, strike, charge, and assail are often used interchangeably. Here are a few examples. The boxer prepared to attack his opponent with a quick jab. The storm will likely strike the coast tonight. The soldiers prepared to charge the hill at dawn. The critics assailed the new film with harsh reviews. Each of these captures a similar sense of aggression or force. On the flip side, let's explore some antonyms for assault. Words like defend, protect, guard, and shield stand in contrast. For example, the knight vowed to defend the castle from any threat. She tried to protect her friend from harm. The security team worked hard to guard the building. A strong roof can shield you from harsh weather. How can you use assault in everyday life? It's a strong word, so it's most appropriate in serious contexts. You might hear it in the news, such as, "The suspect was arrested for attempting to assault a police officer." In conversations, you could use it metaphorically, like, "I feel like my inbox is being assaulted with spam emails." Here are a few more examples to solidify the meaning of assault. The hikers were startled when a bear appeared to assault their camp. The team decided to assault the challenge head-on and worked tirelessly to meet the deadline. The protesters accused the police of using excessive force during the assault on the demonstration. To wrap things up, today we explored the word assault, its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and how to use it effectively in both literal and figurative contexts. Thank you so much for joining me on this linguistic journey. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show and grow their English vocabulary. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Try creating your own sentence using the word assault and share it in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the power of words.